Hi guys, we are from Makeitt, and Makeitt is an IT startup that is oriented towards a nation young generation empowerment. And today, we are going to talk about the means of central tendency. Yeah, you might be knowing about these things very comfortably, like what is mean, what is median, and what about mode, and what about the formula of them, and where they will be used. Just I would like to try to give you the same in a new flavor. As you already know, mean is something like finding the average. It's something like if I go for finding the sum of the numbers divided by count of the numbers, I will be getting the average of it, which is nothing but the mean. And if I go to median, it is also a similar thing, but when ordered, and then if I take the center value, or if there are two, if I take the average of those, then that is called median. Or if I take the mode, it is the most frequent value. Yeah, likewise I'm going to get these three, which are talking about a similar concept called means of central tendency. uh, yeah, let me have this pointer, and okay, yeah, this is the mathematical formula linked with it. Yeah, mean is something like sum of the numbers by count of the numbers, yeah, which is nothing but the balance point. And median is something like the middle value when ordered. Yeah, if I get two middle values, then I'm going to get take the average of it. And mode is something like the most frequent value. If I take a number that has been repeated the most number of times, that will be taken as mode. This is all well comfortable to us. And yeah, let me explain them with a small example, like if I have taken these numbers, then how to calculate the mean of it. Yeah, first I have summed them up, and then I got there are nine numbers. And if I divide this, then I will be getting a value in and around some 15.444. This is nothing but the mean, or sometimes the same is also called as the average of these numbers. And yeah, coming to median, yeah, these are all the values given, and the question is all about find the median of these. What we have to do is we have to place them in sorted order. Yeah, if you have observed, the elements whatever they are placed here all are in ascending order, like increasing order, like 2 3 3 3 4. Yeah, they are in ascending order. And if I have counted the middle values, I got 2, 4 and 4. What they have taken is they have taken the average of these two, again it is 4. So the median of these numbers is nothing but 4. Now the question is, in real time, where we are going to use mean and where we are going to use median. That's what the question. It's something like applied math. It's something related to applied math. When to use where, that is very important. Why? Because if you are understanding anything, what you are learning application wise, then that is going to give you a very better picture, and you can apply that to other problems also in real time. Like I have taken this one as an example to explain the relevance of real-time applications of the concepts that what we are learning. Mean will be generally used in the case of good outliers. Yeah, what is that? I have taken one example for explaining this. There I got some investors, and where they had a proposal that invest 1 rupee each and every day, and if you get your number, then you will get 10 millions. If this was the offer given to me, then the mean of it is each and every day I will be losing 1 rupee, right? Then it is minus 1. If I lost for 100 days, then it is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and so on up to 100 times for this minus 1. And in one not one on 101th day, if I am the winner, if I am the winner, then I got 10 millions. Then what I have to do, I have to write minus 100 plus 10 millions by 101. Yeah, that is what I have to write, and that is called mean. In the case of good outlier, I have to go for this mean. Here outlier means the value that is not in the range, or the value that is not predicted or expected, or an odd value. Yeah, if I want to speak in precise, it's an odd value. Here 10 millions is an odd value and minus 1 is a regular value. Why? Because if I'm investing 1 rupee each and every day for 100 days, then I'm going to get this minus 1 for 100 times, right? It's a normal value, but 10 millions is an odd value that is called as an outlier. And in the case of good outliers, mean is generally used. And if I have a look at where to use median, in the case of bad outliers, I have to use. What is that? For example, if I am collecting the ages of students in a class, and if there is a typo means it's a typing mistake or error, and the error is 1234, and yeah, nobody in this world have an age something like 1234, right? The maximum age of any person will be 100. Of course, nowadays the age has been reduced to 40, 50, 60. Yeah, if he is living for 70, then it's a great number, to be frankly speaking, then it's a great number. But this one is not possible generally. It's something like no one will live for 1234 except some babas. They might be living in Himalayas, I'm not sure about them, but generally a normal guy will live up to only 100 years according to the earlier statistics, but nowadays it was changed. Yeah, even though if I have some typo like this, as we are sorting the numbers and we are going to pick the center value, this wrong value will be discarded, will be neglected. That will not be taken into consideration. So in the case of bad outlier, here also 1234 is an unpredicted value. It's a value that is not expected. It's an outlier, but it is bad. And in the case of bad outliers, as we are going to pick the center value, this value will be neglected. This value will be neglected. In the case of bad outliers, median is used. In the case of good outliers, mean is used. That's what all I am trying to explain you, when to use where. That is one such intention. Whenever you are going to learn a topic in math or physics or anything, try to get that intuition that where this is applicable in the real time. That is very important. If you can cultivate this habit of understanding and applying each and every concept that you are learning in your classroom to the real world, then yeah, your way of learning is really fantastic, and you can do miracles with that. Yeah, just trust me, guys. Yeah, try to cultivate this sort of understanding that whatever the topic you have learned in the class, think in this dimension that where we have to use it, where it is being used in real time. That's a damn important. Okay, yeah, and coming to mode, here you can observe 2 is the digit that has been repeated thrice. 3 was repeated twice and 4 was repeated twice. So here the mode is 2. That's why earlier I have mentioned mode is something referring to the most frequent element. And yeah, that's all about this discussion. Yeah, I hope I have explained you the relevance of mean, median and mode. If you have any queries, yeah, feel free to reach us. This is our mobile number and these are our mail IDs and this is our website. Yeah, please reply us guys in the comment section, and if you have any queries. And yeah, we are doing these sort of videos for the nation young generation empowerment with a great and genuine cause. What's our total intention is, we want to provide do it yourself kits to students of government colleges and other suburban colleges or schools, where we want to explain them the topics linked with maths, physics or computers using this do it yourself kits. These do-it-yourself kits, according to our analysis and research, are a great means of learning. They will make the things happen in a great manner that your level of understanding will be deep. Yeah, this is our intention. Yeah, if you can support us, yeah, please donate or share with your friends, neighbors and relatives. This is the link, guys. And yeah, that's all from my side for this video. Thank you, have a good day.